Hey there kids! Here's a nice flatbed scanner by Canon. Its main feature is that it can stand on the side. It works with single USB Type-C cable and has a few handy buttons at the front. The auto scan button quickly produces medium quality PDF file. PDF file has higher default contrast than JPEG file. It can be clearly seen here. It takes around 8 seconds to scan 300 dpi JPEG file. It takes over 30 seconds for max 600 dpi quality JPEG file. For my scans, I usually use the basic window scan utility, but with TWAIN driver. You can use it with any software you like. Overall, this scanner performs as stylishly as advertised. I like it.